AK Hool here. Hope y'all having a really good weekend. I've had a pretty good weekend. I'm gonna get straight to the point on this. The truck here has got a problem. Let me show you. Look over here. You can see these two halos are running, and it source of crystals. Over here this side, the crystal runs, the two halos aren't. When I drive this thing down the road, this side flickers. I've had wifey in front of me and she's told me it's flickering. I've had other people I know who know me say, hey, your headlight's flickering. It's not the headlight, it's the halo. So this video don't intend to be super long, I hope. And what we're going to do is see if we can figure out what's going on. So let's get to that. There I am. Alright guys, what I've noticed, there's two wires here that they had these cheapy little connectors. They might work inside, but they're not waterproof outside like they say. So I'm going to have to get some different connectors or splice it, solder it, shrink it. I'll probably do that. Longer process, but it'll work better. But these things are not waterproof. They're junk. Alright, now we're going to solder one of the wires. Got that. Put that one in.
Okay. Yes.
Alright guys, I'm just going to do that one wire. It's not flickering anymore, it's just simply a bad connector. And I got it soldered, now I'm going to shrink it. I'm going to wrap it with electric tape, just to make sure no water gets into it and it doesn't move. Make sure it works. Yep, it ain't going off. It's working. And if we beat it, she's staying on. Just like that side's on. Hey guys, that worked out really easy that time. Just had, like I said, don't use those little blue connectors and you're good. I soldered it, wrapped it, good as gold. I'm gonna wait. I don't think I need to do the other one. It didn't hurt anything. If it does, I'll do another video and tell you all about it, an update on it. But that's it for this video. So remember, subscribe, share, like, and do not text to drive, folks. Get yourself a lot of trouble or you can kill somebody. To the next video, see y'all. Bye.